Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you an effective remedy. It's turn your yellow teeth to real white teeth in just 5 minutes. First, we need to add 1 teaspoon of rice flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And also 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. I use Colgate toothpaste. And finally, 1 teaspoon of natural honey. Then, put all the ingredients in a bowl of boiling water and mix it very well. Once the ingredients turn to a thick cream, we need to add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. And mix it very well. Once the ingredients combine each other, dip in your toothbrush in this remedy and brush your teeth for 5 minutes. You will see your yellow teeth turn to white teeth. Oh, I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and thumbs up for this video.